Can I put my ceramic baking dish in the oven?
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into an often asked question. Can I put my ceramic baking dish in the oven? If you're a cooking enthusiast or even just an occasional home cook, this information will be vital for you.
What is a ceramic baking dish?
Let's start with understanding what we mean by a ceramic baking dish. Ceramic dishes are generally made from clay, quartz sand, and other minerals, which are shaped and then fired at high temperatures to create a sturdy and durable product. Ceramic dishes are widely loved for their ability to distribute heat evenly and for their aesthetic appeal.
Can ceramic baking dishes go in the oven?
So, to the all-important question, can you put a ceramic dish in the oven? The answer is, generally, yes. Most ceramic dishes are designed to be oven-safe. However, not all ceramic dishes are created equal, and there are a few things you should keep in mind.
Considerations when using ceramic dishes in the oven.
1. Temperature rating. Firstly, check if your dish has a temperature rating. Some ceramic dishes can withstand higher oven temperatures than others. As a rule of thumb, most can handle up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius, but some can endure temperatures as high as 600 degrees Fahrenheit, 315 degrees Celsius. 2. Thermal shock. Another thing to keep in mind is thermal shock. This occurs when a ceramic dish is subjected to a sudden temperature change, which can cause it to crack or shatter. To avoid this, don't transfer your dish directly from the refrigerator to the oven. Allow it to reach room temperature first. 3. Oven-safe label. Lastly, when in doubt, look for an oven-safe label. This will indicate whether your dish is safe to use in the oven or not. In summary, you can usually put your ceramic baking dish in the oven, but always check the temperature rating and be cautious of thermal shock. Always look for an oven-safe label if you're unsure. We hope this video has answered your question and helps you make the best use of your kitchenware. Happy cooking!